This huge collection of mouth-watering recipes in PDF ebook format can be read on any Windows or Mac computer. Stuck in the kitchen? Don't fear, you will never be without cooking ideas again for the next 13 years if you make only one recipe per day. Appetizers, soups, meat, fish, veggie, exotic, desserts, etc. It's all covered inside this amazing cookbook package. Browse through the recipes, copy, click and print them. You can then use the recipes in your kitchen, and never worry again about spilling food or sauce on it. Where, except on your computer, would you be able to store so many recipes? Suppose that a regular recipe book contains around 70 to 100 recipes. Can you imagine 30 to 40 paper books laying around in your house? For much less than what one single paper book costs in your bookstore, you get all the items in this package to keep for life. Instant download right after ordering my gig, so don't wait, and get your hands on the biggest recipe collection ever made available.